Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today I'm going to show you a very plain and simple basic recipe of plain paratha, which is consumed in every household on a regular basis. So let's see how. For the dough, I've taken 1 cup of wheat flour. You can make around 4 to 5 parathas with this. Into this, I'm going to add some salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. Give this a mix. And now let's start mixing the water to make the dough. Knead the dough nicely while mixing only. The dough is ready, and now I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes to rest. So 10 minutes are up, and now let's start rolling the parathas. So take a big portion of the dough and make a ball. Dust a little bit of dry wheat flour over the dough and the board. And now let's start rolling it. Roll it into a small round, and over this now I'm going to brush a little bit of oil. Also sprinkle a little bit of wheat flour. Let's fold it into half, and then once again fold it into half, and we have a triangle shape. Dust this again into the dry wheat flour, and let's roll it again. So we have a nice triangle shaped paratha here. Parathas are like about 2 mm thick, and they are a bit thicker than the rotis. So time to roast them now, and onto a hot pan and cook this on medium flame. Let it cook on each side for about 20 seconds. Flip it over and apply a little bit of oil. And flip it again. Press slightly and cook it. Apply a little bit of oil on the other side as well. And cook it till you get nice brown spots. This is done. Let's get it out. Let's make a few more. So the parathas are done. This is the last one. Let's get it out. You could also add a teaspoon of jeera or ajwain in the dough, and they taste delicious. These go very well with any curries, dal, vegetables, curd, or just a simple raita. But they taste even more delicious just by themselves as well. So do try this at home, comment below, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.